Hello everyone, myself Ashish Desai, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department. Today we are going to discuss the introduction to CAD/CAM CE. So first of all, we'll look at the learning objective. So first learning objective is to know the importance of digital tool involved in the product design. Then second learning objective is to understand about the CAD/CAM CE packages. Then after this session, the some learning outcome is there. So first learning outcome is the student will able to explain the CAD/CAM CE tool usage. Then second learning outcome is the student will be able to aware about systematic product creation using digital tool. So in that session we will cover different points. So first point is the digital tool for product design. Second point is the CAD/CAM CE package. Then review of CAD, that is third point. Then fourth point is for CAM review. Then fifth point is CAE review. And last point is the application of CAD/CAM CE. So first point we will discuss here, that is digital tool for product design. So nowadays the product innovation is the primary instrument that companies as well as the nation is drive the international competitions. So as we know that the customer has having their own ideas and own awareness. So the current trends is nothing but the mass customized product is there. So for that purpose we require the digital tool. So this digital tool is nowadays used in aviation industries as well as the automotive industries. So these are the following mentioned following advantages there. So first advantage is the 3D visualization. So if it is clearly visualize this product, then we have to go for different analysis. So this is important benefit. Then second benefit is the reduce the product development time. So here if it is the customized product is there, suppose we require some editing part is there, so you can easily edit it in the file and then we can go for manufacturing. Then third one is important, that is more storage requirement is there. So as we know that the different complex part is there is in a aviation industry as well as automotive industries, so that file will be saved in a safe zone. So that's why it is required a more storage compartment. Then nowadays the digital optimization is also required over here because that most of the simulation is done in a say tools. Then as you know that different parts and assembly files is also there, so we can save in long period of time. So that's why also require more requirement data is there. Then also requires the number of alternative solutions. So this CA, this CAD/CAM CA tool is helpful for the alternative solutions. So this is regarding the importance of digital tool for product design. Now we move for the next point, that is CAD/CAM CE packages. So at the present, the CAD/CAM CE development focused on the efficient and fast integrations. So this is the direct usage softwares or direct usage packages is available with us, that is user friendly and very pro efficient is there. So as we know that the AutoCAD, Fusion 360, Solid Edge and SolidWorks are some easy to use softwares. Then Unigraphics Pro V as well as CATIA are the higher order modeling and designing softwares, but it is costlier but more efficient in a more complex geometries. Then next we move for different analysis software, that is like ANSYS, Abequa, then Nastran, Fluent, CFX, that is CFD. So these are the tools is useful for the analysis of structures as well as analysis of fluids is there. Then as we know that now trends is towards the collaborative design. The collaborative design means what? The in that content the multiple user are there, so it working at the same time. So that way we are to finding the alternative solutions. So this is available in a Algebra software, then Fusion 3 software, then Skyber Cut is there. So all of the cloud-based systems. So we can save the data in cloud as well as in your offline mode also. So this is the beneficiary of that tools is there. As we know that CAM tool is also there. So CAM tool is useful for generating a toolpath for NC machines. or CNC machines is there. So if it is complex part is there, then we can easily manufacture, or you can say easily produced by the CAM software. So as we know that Delcam and Fusion CAM is software is there. The next we go for that computer aided design, so that is CAD. So CAD is a technology which is concerned with using computer system to assist in the creation, modification, analysis, and optimization of design. So while creation, we can create uh, different geometries, and as per the customer need, we can modify it. After that, we can analyze for the and optimizations will take place in with the help of this CAD files. So CAD file is providing different documentations to the shop floor management. Then next advantage is the it defines the geometry of design, then mechanical assembly, and it is used in also in architecture structure. Then it is used in electronic circuit, that is for designing the PCB, then building layout, etc. So this is the basic role of CAD. The next benefit is CAD system is to save the considerable time, because whenever the redefining of geometry is there, we can easily modify it with the help of that files which is saved in a previous manner. So it is not required every time for sketching. So this is the best that is the greatest benefit of CAD. Now we move for next slide, that is computer aided manufacturing. So as you know that the computer aided manufacturing technology involves computer system that plan, manage, and control the manufacturing operations, because if it is reduce the development time is there, and most complicated part is there, so that time it interfaces with the computer and plant that production resources. So as we get the G code with the help of the softwares, and this technique is used to control the machines, tools, as well as uh, different programming of robots also. So this is the major advantages of CAM. Now we move for next slide, that is CAD, that is CAE, that is computer engineering, that is CAE. Nowadays the CAE technology uses a computer system to analyze the function of CAD created products and allowing the designer to simulate and how the product will behave, so that uh, design refined and optimized with the help of the CA tools. So as we know that there are two types of analysis, that is kinematic analysis and dynamic analysis. So kinematic analysis is when it is done where actually they determine the motion of path and linkages that will determine the mechanisms. And then dynamic analysis is there, so that should be used for determining loads and displacement for the complex geometries. The next one of the important analysis is using, that is final element method. So as we know that the it is determine the stress deformations, then heat transfer, manufacturing field distribution, then fluid flow and other continuation of fluid problems that are often too tough that solve with other approaches. So as we know that the manufacturing the different product, so we can take the help of different CA tools and we optimize this product for costing purpose. The next, that is the development process, that is product realization process. So first of all we look at the design need. So it is based on customer, because now trends are the mass customized product. So after that design specification is there, and after that we move for that feasibility study, so it involves the technical feasibility, or can say technical concerns. Then we know that the economic analysis is there, then marketing analysis is there. So different analysis we carried out. After that we can go for design conceptualization. So if it is clear idea about the design, then we create a model in a CAD software. So here, after the drawing of this model, we go for different analysis. So as you know that the kinematic analysis is there and dynamic analysis is there. As per requirement or as per the need of this product, we can analyze the product, and after this evaluation we create a documentation for the CAD and CAE file. Then we move for process planning. So process planning is important for produce the production purpose. So here the for process planning the production planning is required. Then design and procurement of new tool is there. Suppose new geometry or new mass customized product is there, so that time a new tool is required. Other also it requires the order materials. Then as we know that for complex geometry we take the help of CAE tools. So the CAM tools, that is CAM, that is computer aided manufacturing tools. So for that purpose we can use that CAM software, that is Delcam or can say Fusion CAM. So then we can generate the G code, and here we can observe directly the simulation path also, and then we move for production purpose. So after the producing the product, we go to the quality control, and then we inspecting in the this following product, and then we go for packaging purpose, and then shipping to the market, and then we give the feedback from the market, and then according to the customer feedback we can change in our design need. So this is the product realization process, and here we majorly focus on efficient and fast integration of the that tool, that is CAD CAM CAE. Now we move for the review of CAD package. So this CAD package is helpful to defining the relation between two objects. Then second advantage is the defining the properties of objects. Then third impact is the defining the orientation to the objects. Then last point is for the modification of existing definitions. So while editing the number of product, we can go for customizing product. So this is the documentation sheet. So here this is Fusion 3D software is used over here, and this is 3D model part. So if you draw a 3D model part, we convert into this 3D model into 2D parts. So this is top view, front view and side view we have developed here, and this is the isometric views. So here also generate automatic part list according to our design specifications. So this documentation will helpful for shop floor management. So this is the advantage of CAD package. The next review for the CAM packages. So as you know that the CAM software uses for the create a detailed instruction set, that is G code, which will helpful for drive the CNC machines. So as we know that the complexity of part is there, so we move for CAM softwares. So first software is the Delcam or can say Fusion CAM. So when you're giving the different information or you can say different inputs to the that software, then it can simulate after the giving the path as well as the that drilling operations or different operations. Then we have to create this NC code. So this is the sheet for NC code after generating the tool path, and then we have to simulate the same path in a software window. So here we can observe that same picture is there. So here observe that we can drilling or can counter operation is there, so you can simulate the cam that CAM software, and you can easily imagine of this operations, related operations. Then nextly we move for the CAE packages. So here number of advantages for the CAE purpose. As we know that CAE reduces the error in a design as well as drawing process. Then it is less time consuming, and then CAE also the benefit is the CAE allows easy visualizations and improve the designs. So if it is any deformation is maximum, so at that time we can change the geometry. If it is complex geometry is there, so we can analyze with the help of different uh, tools, that is fluid, that is tools like the car mechanism, like simulation softwares. So here the robustness and performance of components and assemblies can be analyzed. So this is a major impact by the CAE tool. So here the picture we cleared this. So this is the first we have created model in a CAD software, and this is 3D model software, that is this software is Fusion 360, and the workspace is design. So here design this product, and after that we have to move in a different workspace. So that workspace is that CAE, that is analysis of structural analysis there. So after that selection of CAE tool, here we can give the loading conditions and different constraints. After that we observe the different states and results over here, and also we observe here the locating critical areas. So this is the review of CAM, that is CAE packages. The next workspace is rendering. So nowadays the creating a photorealistic model, the rendering workspace is available. So if you create a watch, so actually this figure is creating watch, so actual look is given by the rendering effect. So this is attractive for customers. So this rendering effect is usually also usually in a civil engineering, because if it is constructing a that bungalow, or you can say that any bridges out there, so we can uh, modelize with rendering image, so it is effective one. The next we move for the application of CAD CAM CE. So first of all we go for application in mechanical design. So here number of parts we have to draw into the Fusion software. So this is different tools. So if it is any changes in a file, or you can say if you required uh, if you required some changes in a part, so you can easily done in a Fusion or other softwares, and accordingly we can manufacture these components. Then second advantage is the visual reality in architecture design. So that internal parts, or can say internal things, we can improve by the that architectural that effect. So it is giving effect of rendering. Then third is the application is stress analysis. So with the help of CA tool we can easily analyze the stress distribution. So if it is red zone is there, maximum stress will be available with this. So we can study easily with the help of CE tools. So this is a major application. Then next application is workspace and sequence simulations. So we have observed different software is available with us. So we can easily observe the different parts and how it work in a within a workspace. So it is that available in a simulations purpose. Then this is the application, that is if you create one product, then if it is for looking great, so that's why as per the aesthetic views we can go for rendering. So it is look like the realistic models but is not available. So this is the Quinjet. The Quinjet means this is nothing but a helicopter plus plane. This is the climb chamber, sorry, climb chair, and this is the car model. So as per the our creation, or can say our imagination, we can create it over here. This is whole craft. So this is the different products we have to delve here. So this is regarding the CAD CAM CE. So in that lecture we have discussed here different digital tools available with market. So thank you.